folks, in this short video I'm going to show you how I configured the Space Mouse Wireless Bluetooth edition to navigate and interact with Blender. So I purchased this last Thanksgiving, and I finally got to properly configure it to improve my workflows. So this device is very compact and elegant, and it comes with two programmable buttons, the left and right buttons. Okay, and I can also connect it via USB as well. Cool. So let's look at how the configuration happened. So first we have the 3Dconnexion driver and configuration. So here you can map the buttons. So the left button is mapped to the radial menu for tools. So this ships with the default configuration, but then I went ahead and modified these four radial menu items. Okay, you can also create custom radial menus. So I've been experimenting with two variations. So here I have mapped the application command to the different implicit end of actions. So in Blender you have these settings at two places. One is the end of settings and then the key map. Let's see. So in the 3D view I have mapped end of button 7 to save the current view. I'm using the stored views add-on, the extension. Stored views extension ships with Blender as well, so I am using some of the operators that this extension provides and then integrate that into my Space Mouse configuration. So the button 7 creates a new camera, and button 6 cycles through the stored views. Okay, I'll demonstrate this. I wrote this operator like it's here. There is a stored views cycler. Okay, I wrote this operator, and then let's see. Stored views, and then finally button number 5. Actually button number 5 and 6 use the same operator, but once one will move the views in the forward direction and the other in the backward direction. And finally end of button 2 creates a new camera from you. Okay, cool. Let's see this in action. Alright, so I have this scene set up. So this is the default asset, and then I have two different view layers. Okay, let's select that, and then I'm pressing the left button on the Space Mouse, and let's frame to the selected object. Okay, so that's the first one, and then let's save this view. So in the stored views add-on, you can save different presets of the user perspective view. So I'm gonna click the right button on the end of device, and then save the view. See that? And then maybe I'll go back a little and then save another view. There you go. And then I'll use the end of 5 to go back a view and end of 6 to go front of view. Okay, so that's that. Then let's move up a bit and maybe save one more view. There you go. All right, and let's create a camera from this view. Okay, to create a new camera from this view, we'll press the end of to button. There you go. And I want to lock the camera, and then there you go. I've also enabled the another extension called, let's see, pass part out slider. So this allows me to press the P key and then adjust the pass part out. There you go. And then let's adjust the focal length, and then I also have a quick render button here. There you go. And then I also have a custom mapping to switch out of the camera view. So as you can see, this allows me to quickly location scout and take snapshots. All right, and yeah, so I'm like slowly getting a hang of this and improve my workflows in Blender. Okay, let's save a view over here, then move forward, another view, another view. Okay, so let's render this. And then okay, let's render this. Then finally there you go. Cool. And I also have a frame selected operator, so I can select this, frame selected. Yeah, using the space mouse, I can very easily navigate around the scene and plan and practice camera moves. So yeah, I hope you have learned something from this video.